Okay then. Well, once you've gone through the steps that the court requires you to go through to try and resolve your case, if it can't be resolved, then the next step would be to actually issue the court proceedings. And that would involve usually instructing a solicitor to put together the documents you need, which would be a claim form and another document called particulars of claim, which sets out the claim in more detail, and that has then to be issued by the court, at which stage you'd have to pay a court fee, and the court fee that you pay depends on the value of the claim or the nature of the remedy you're trying to seek, and the fee can be thousands of pounds depending on higher value claims. It depends on the lower value claims are fixed fees, and the higher it gets, it becomes a percentage of the sum you're claiming. So if your claim clearly is tens or hundreds of thousands of pounds, then the court fee can be substantial. So once that claim is issued, it's then served on your opponent, and they have 14 or 28 days to respond. And if they don't respond, then you can get judgment against them. But that's very unusual, sadly. And most of the time you end up with a defence from them, and at that point the court will decide, or once there's been a bit more toing and froing, the court will decide which track to allocate the claim to. And it's at that point the court decides whether it's a small claim, a fast track claim, or a multi-track claim. And most people are familiar with the idea of a small claim, and that's any claim up to the value of £10,000. Beyond that, you're into the fast track or multi-track. And the importance of the track is that it has an impact on the level of cost you can recover, and also on the speed with which you will get to trial and get to resolution of your claim.